श्रीमान वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किक केसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि. Number we are enjoying the Shotasayuda Stotram and Sudarshanashtakam. So we'll first complete the Shotasayuda Stotram, the 19 slokas, and then begin to dwell and enjoy the Sudarshanashtakam during this month. Swasankalpa kala kalpai ayudhair ayudheshwaraha Chustashodashabhir divyaihi chushatam vah parah puman. So beautifully Swami mentions here that Sudarshana with 16 divine weapons which responded to Swami Desikan's prayer, because Swami Desikan, when he was living in Kanchipuram, there was a heavy Vishajwaram, cold fever, which was there in an epidemic form, like a plague, a pandemic. So people were in distress. So Swami Desikan, when heard of this, and he was very much moved by their suffering, so he composed this stotram and the Sudarshanashtakam, praising Sri Sudarshana Bhagavan. Swami advised the villagers to recite them as well. So the rare form of Sri Sudarshanan with 16 divine weapons responded to Swami Desikan's prayer immediately and removed, banished and eradicated completely the poisonous fever from this place. So the Vishajwaram was completely chased away. It was no match for the powerful weapon of Sri Sudarshana Bhagavan, invoked by Swami Desikan on behalf of the public. So this Sudarshanam, this Stotram, Shotasayuda Stotram, is an unusual form. Swami Desikan's invocation is in the form of a second person. May he protect you. May Sri Sudarshana protect you. And this explains why these two stotrams find a place next to Paramartha Stuti, which is a stotram in praise of Tirupputkuzhi Perumal Sri Vijayaraghavan. So Swami Desikan, in his Palashruti, he says he composed this stotram for the benefit and welfare of the pious, and those who recite it will be beautifully and completely protected by Sudarshana Bhagavan. So Swasankalpa kala kalpair ayudhair ayudheshwaraha Chustashodashabhir divyai chushatam vah parah puman. So Shastras mentioned that Sriman Narayanan Sankalpa, the divine will of Perumal, that alone took the form of Sudarshana Alvan, and the small part of these Sankalpa transformed itself into further 16 weapons of Sudarshana Bhagavan. So may that Chakrarajan, Chakratalvan, the Aryan, the Sudarshanan, served by these 16 Ayudhams, respond to your prayers for complete relief from the poisonous fever, the COVID, the Omicron, and is such a beautiful prayer which is being praised by Swami Desikan. And this Sudarshana Alvan is the weapon in the hand of Perumal, and Perumal actually needs no weapon. Swami Desikan says even the Trinam Bhakvastratamidadi Jagama Trinam Prayuktam Kimva Nakim Bhavati Keli Vidav Vibhuna Trinasyai Vastratvam. Here Vallavanukku Pullum Ayudham, for the valiant, for the strongest, for the valorous one, even the grass is enough. There is no need for any Ayudham. We saw in the Sri Nrisimha. In Sri Nrisimha, Sudarshana Alvan has entered into the nails of Sri Nrisimha and tore the Rakshasa, and that is the way Swami mentions that Sri Chakrathalvan in every form of Perumal takes the respective Ayudam. Shendral Kudayam, Irindal Singhasanamam, Nindral Maravadiyam, Nilgadalil Endrum Punayam. So, like that, Sudarshanalvan also takes the form of the Ayudams in the respective avatarams. During Varaha Avataram, Sudarshanalvan, the Tiruvazhiyalvan, enters into the tooth of Lord Varaha Nayanar, and from the tooth he picks up the Bhumi Pirati from the troubled waters and he saves. In Nrisimha Avataram, he enters into the nails. In Parashurama Avataram, he is seated on the eggs. In Matsya Avataram and the Hayagriva Avataram, he is seated in the Tirumukha Mandalam of the Perumal. In Vamana Avataram, he enters into the Pavitram, because Danam Vilakkiya Shukkiran Kannai Turumbal Kilariya Chakkara Kayyane Acho Acho. Periyalvar mentions Chakkara Kayyane when the Shukracharya wanted to prevent Mahabali from giving the Danam. So he immediately stopped. So that's the way Sudarshanalvan enters. So this Chakrathalvan enters into these avatarams as the respective Ayudams. So even when Lord takes the avataram as Dhanvantri, in order to remove the impure waters, and in order to get rid of the Asuran, because there was a Asuran by name Antakan. He wanted to show his strength to Chaturmukha Brahma, and he got all the boons from Chaturmukha Brahma, that when he sheds or drops some blood from his body, that itself will create very many asuras of the same nature. So even Rudran could not do anything. So Rudran went and surrendered to Emperuman, and Emperuman created Shushkarevati, means the Attai, Puchi, the insect called Attai, and Shushkarevati. And these insects would suck the blood from Antakar when it comes out of his body. So thereby it would not get dropped onto the land, onto the earth, and Antakan was destroyed similarly. So Swami Desikan mentions that Vedapahara Gurupadaka Daityapida Dhyapad Vimochana Magishta Pala Pradhanaihi Konya Praja Pashupati Paripati. When he was writing the commentary for this particular slokam of Alavanda Stotra Ratnam, he refers to this particular incident of Dhanvantri having this Shushkarevati Attai to suck the Antakargal drops of blood. So even when a child creates a mistake, we say Tappu Seyyade, Perumal Kannai Kutti Viduvar, which is also incidentally taken from the Shukracharya, because when Bali Chakravarti wanted to give the Bhudanam to Vamana Piran, Shukracharya, the other Brahmanan, when one Brahmanan gets a donation or gets a Dhanam from another person, the other Brahmin gets jealous. Swami Srivatsankachar says, Oru Brahmanan Selvam Shervadai Matoru Brahmanan Puruttu Kolvana. He would no way tolerate the other Brahmin getting benefited by any incident. So he wanted to prevent Bali Chakravarti from giving it. So he stopped. When he wanted to stop, he took the form of a bee and went into a kamandalu, that particular beak, and stopped the water. So when he found that the argyam, the water did not come out, so Perumal took a grass, the darpam, and using the darbai, he pricked that particular hole, and Shukkiran Kannai Kilariya Danam Vilakkiya Shukkiran Kannai Turumbal Kilariya Chakkara Kayyane Acho Acho. Periyalvar mentions. Thus, the Swasankalpa Kalakalpa is such a beautiful sloka that Perumal uses his Ayudam to protect us. Divyaihi, it is divine. This particular Sudarshana, even when Arjuna enjoyed the Sri Vishwarupam, he saw Divi, Apragrate Sri Vaikunthe Loke, Bhavanti Swayameva Pratur Bhutani. So this Sri Vaikuntha Lokam, everything is Divyam, and the divine discus also is Divyam. Sri Bhashyakarar mentions that the Ayudams are Divyam, divine, and these Ayudams are not just made of rustic iron. It is also fragrant, it is also tender, it is also soft. Perumal would not have pains to hold that Ayudam. So who is referred to by Sudarshan? Sudarshan, the Lord of weapons, Sudarshana Bhagavan, confer auspiciousness on you all. Swami Desikan mentions in this sloka. He is the one worshipped by the 16 divine weapons. Sudarshana Bhagavan is the Paramapurushan, worshipped by these 16 powerful weapons. And Sudarshana Bhagavan is the one where he refers to here Para Puman. Para is Paramatma. Paramatma ivar matrayum yavarayum vida melanavar. So Perumal, Sudarshana Bhagavan and the 16 Ayudams worship the chief of Nityasuris, the Lord of the Devadi Rajan. The Lord himself take on the form of Chakra, Sudarshanam, because of his Sankalpam. And thus Sudarshana Alvan is the one which gets us rid of all our grievances, all our illness. And the way Perumal holds the Sudarshana Alvan, be it Varadaraja Perumal or Trivallur Vaidya Veeraragava Perumal or Oppiliyappan, the way they hold is simply majestic, magnanimous. So with these Ayudams, Perumal is able to get rid of the enemies. And even with his Sankalpam, he can create, he can protect, he can destroy. When such is the case, he holds the Ayudams just to assure us. He gives an assuaging assurance to us that he is there to protect us. And Engalalvan mentions in Vishnu Chittiyam, for Vishnu Puranam in Astra Bhushanadhyayam, Engalalvan mentions that this Chakratalvan has got 16 kalais. The kalai is the Padinaril Oru Pagudi. So the 16 Ayudam, each one of them has got 1/16 of the power of Sudarshana Alvan. Kalatu Shodasho Bhagaha, Nigandu says. So these Ayudams are supporting and are serving Sudarshana Alvan, and those who worship and pray to the Sudarshana Alvan with these 16 Ayudams with full of love, bhakti, adoration, reverence would be completely protected by Sudarshana Alvan. Adiyan. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. This slokam is completely on the Paramapurushan, and from the next slokam, from the second up to the 2 plus 16 up to the 17th, 18th slokam, all the 16 Ayudams, each of which is being praised by Swami Desikan. Every slokam is about each Ayudam. Let's enjoy. Adiyan.